Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize Binance's home screen. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up the Binance app and go to your home tab. Make sure to sign in, so it should look similar to this. Then from here, we can go ahead and move things around. So in the middle of the page, it says discover personalized home experiences, so a new trading experience. This upgrade puts focus and control in your hands. So go ahead and click on explore now. And now, as it states here, you can press and hold the widget to explore new features. I want to press and hold the widget. Then it'll say edit homepage, edit list if you like. So if you want to edit the list, you can. So if you want to edit this list, move things around, you can go ahead and toggle things on and off like so. And then you can move things by clicking and holding and just dragging these down like so. So if you want new to be up top, you can then click confirm. And also if we click and hold this down, we can edit the home page. And we can go ahead and click add. We can add widgets. So we can add fear and greed, AI trending, hot categories. So if I want to add some hot categories, I can. So I'm going to confirm this and then click the tick icon at the bottom of the page here. And then if you want to move this around to make it fill up the whole screen, we can. So click and hold that down and then you should be able to drag it. So click and hold and then click on the larger icon there. So I'll do that again. So it should say edit homepage. So confirm. So now to make this longer, you can click longer or shorter. So obviously I'm going to click longer and then click and hold it again. And then we can drag this below or in the top of things. So we can make this below that crypto. And once you like that, go ahead and click on the tick. So yeah, that's how to customize your homepage inside a Binance application.